register your Viessmann equipment, you can use the monitoring tab in your ViGuide app or visit vguide.viessmann.com. Selecting your app switcher and then going to System Registration will open a new window. This will allow us to scan the boiler's serial number if you're still on site. Or if you're doing this at a later time, you can enter it manually. Once a valid serial number has been recognized, you'll be able to scroll down and hit Next. We'll enter the equipment's location. The region is going to be the state. We'll scroll down and go to the next page. Here we want to ensure we do scroll to the top and input your install date. Once we have that confirmed, we can scroll to the bottom. This will allow us to triple check all information and make any necessary adjustments. Once you've confirmed all the information is correct, you can finish the registration process. This shows you the registration has been successful, and we can now enter the customer's email address if they would like a certificate sent to their email address. Thank you for choosing Viessmann.